Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma menah kesing baar ulai tu bakejing dawa hiar syuki no yau kumu Menteri Rangba Kamla Banlong Satya hapapan sengau hakilat pathai kubor hanong ba Shalong. Ia ketika jing dawa hiar syuki no yau Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K Sangma kalawan na keseng BJP hakaban nageleng jong Menteri Rangba Kejelau ulong ba umla ban hiar syuki kumala dawa da keseng BJP bar ulong ru babalai on hiar syuki namar de ki MLA bar ki parlok MDA ki balakhot yu banlong Menteri Rangba Omde Bokwahi Ong Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Kata jing dawa hiar syuki kelawan na BJP MDC Natura Bernard Marak ubalakan obat ong bo Konrad Kongkal Sangma ude ban IT bet da ke CBI ban lap ye ke jing shisha halor ke jing kelem ke dom assembly hamau tiang balada omla ban lek komta ude MDC Natura uladawa ban hiar syuki yo Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma.
And in regards to me stepping down, I think it's the coalition partners, the MLAs. The MLAs will have to decide that. It's not my decision to say whether I'll step down or not. So it's the MLAs of the different coalition partners that will take the call because they're the ones who have elected me. So they're the ones who will decide.